Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, class. Today's lesson we are going to talk about the identification of ingredients and equipments. As we can remember from our last lesson, we talked about how to bake a chocolate cake. Now for today, we are going to identify the types of ingredients that we need to use in this baking of a cake. After that, when we are done, we go to the equipment that we need to use. Now, class, is there anybody who can tell me or identify the types of ingredients that you can see on the table?
Yes.
Yes.
Small boy.
Yes. Here's some white sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And here's some butter.
Okay.
And here's salt. And here eggs. Yes, and here's some milk and here's some chocolate.
Okay. Moses,
Yes?
what else can you name that is on that table that small boy left down?
Yeah.
Cocoa.
Cocoa, yeah.
Yes.
Bicarbonate, vanilla essence, and baking powder.
Okay. With those ingredients that you named there, is there anybody among the two of you who can tell me what we use them for? Any general knowledge that you know?
Yeah. This one, bicarbonate, yeah, we can use in the cake when we bake a cake, because the cake without this one, without bicarbonate, it can't be raised up. It can't be a cake without this one.
Thank
And
you, Moses.
yeah, also it's working together sometimes with baking powder, also bicarbonate. They are also friends. They
Okay.
can be together.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, vanilla essence, you put in a cake when you mix to not to have that smell for eggs, you know.
Okay.
Good flavor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. To add to what Moses explained, with the vanilla essence, as he said, it kills the smell or the taste of the eggs. It also enhances the flavor of the cake. And this is buttermilk. It also bring or make the cake more moisture and soft. Sugar make the cake softer and sweeter. The eggs, it combines the cake. So far, that's the end of the ingredients and what we use them for. Now we are moving to the equipment. Now to move on to our second part of the identification. These are the type of equipment that we use when we are baking a chocolate cake. Now, anybody who can tell me, what do you see or which equipment do you see on top of that table?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Moses.
Yeah. This one is a cake tray. When from the oven, you put it here to get cool. Yeah.
Okay.
And because there is a hole here, it doesn't have a moisture or get wet. You know, it's very important.
Thank you.
And this one is a measurement spoon. You used to measure this one baking powder. Yeah, so on. All the ingredients need to be measured. You use this one.
Thank you.
And this one is a whisk. You have to whisk nice to be soft. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And until here, this one is a cake pan. After you mix, the cake you pour here, then you put in the oven.
Okay. Anything else? Ambassador?
Yeah, come.
Yes, you can name it.
Come.
Okay, to finalize or to add to what Moses said,
Yes.
this is a mixing bowl where we put all our ingredients and then we mix them to combine. This is a sieve. We use it to sieve the dry ingredients, which is like the cocoa, the flowers, and it also helps in the cake. It put airs in between when you're sieving, then the cake becomes more softer. And a scale. The scale we use it to measure the dry ingredients, mostly the ones that are in kilogram or either grams in the recipes. These are measuring cups. We also use it to measure the dry ingredients. As Moses said, more or less, this is all the things that we need for baking our cake. To add to whatever we did in the presentations, is there anybody who has a question about anything that we did?
Don't forget I'm class captain.
Yes, Moses.
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
No, everything to me is
Yeah.
perfect.
So
I don't
Everything,
even query.
everything is, it's okay.
Okay.
It's well explained.
Meaning next time if I say that please get for me these ingredients or we're going to do a chocolate cake,
Yes.
you'll be able to
Yes,
know
yes,
what
yes.
we use them
Yes,
and
yes.
what we
Yes.
use them.
Yes, miss. I'm number one. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for the class. To add to conclusion, this was a very wonderful lesson. I enjoyed, I love the way you came in, whatever you gave. Thank you very much.
Miss Class Captain.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, Moses.
Okay.